Now please focus our attention on these basic terms. I told you these are terms because first of all we must understand that Arabic language is not short of vocabulary. Why using the same words again and again? Although it should be, as a rule in human literature, repeating the same words is not thought to be good. You must change your wordings, not repeating the same words. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is repeating the same word. Why? It must have some basis, some reason. Allah is not short of vocabulary, ba'adallah. And Arabic language is not short of vocabulary. So many words could be instituted, yatlu alayhim ayatihi, in its place, and tazkiyah, and in the same way, taribul kiram wal hikmah. But repeating 4 times the same wordings, it is actually to emphasize the importance of these terms so that the Muslims should ponder over them and they should focus their high power lenses on these terminology to understand it in depth.